It's no secret that the best guns for long-range shooting are rifles rather than pistols and revolvers, as they offer exceptional accuracy at longer distances because of their longer barrels designed for precision at greater distances. Although pistols and revolvers aren't generally designed for long-range shooting, there are a handful of pistols and revolvers that can boast incredible long-range accuracy. Today, we'll unveil 10 of the best long-range guns of 2024. Our list comprises pistols, revolvers, and rifles with exceptional long-range accuracy. Remember, don't try to compare rifles with pistols and revolvers in terms of long-range accuracy. We've put up the best in each category tested by experts as they fare in long-range shooting. And now that this is out of the way, we've also included a fun fact about the firearm world you'll never guess. The firearm world is evolving, so you've got to keep up the pace so you don't get left behind. Okay, let's see those long-range lovelies. Now this is a long-range gem. The Sig Sauer Cross rifle is a precision bolt-action rifle designed with the input of hunters, snipers, and long-range shooting experts. It's versatile enough to handle various environments from extreme backcountry hunting to precision long-range shooting. Chambered in both 6.5 Creedmoor and .308 Winchester, it offers a 5-round Magpul AICS-type magazine and boasts a crisp 2-stage trigger with a light, consistent pull weight. One thing that stands out is its modular design, allowing you to easily change barrels and calibers to suit your needs. With options like 6.5 Creedmoor and .308 Winchester, you can choose the perfect round for the distance and target you're engaging. The Sig Sauer Cross rifle is an excellent choice for long-range accuracy and reliability, whether you're tackling a game within 400 yards or simply enjoying a day at the range. This incredible long-range rifle doesn't even cost much. It has a price tag of $1,000. It's not hype to say that for the only shotgun on this list, the Mossberg 940 JM Pro is a joy to shoot. Although arguably, the only downside to it being exceptional for long-range shooting is its 24-inch barrel. It'll do well under normal long-range applications, but it'll fall short a bit in extreme long-range shooting. With numerous internal upgrades, this shotgun is reliable and race-ready with the approval of world-renowned shooter Jerry Miculek. Its affordable price tag is a great option for shooters of all levels. The Mossberg 940 JM Pro is priced at around $900, and it's not so expensive for that kind of quality. Here comes another revolver for those who love a good revolver and want to go long range. The Colt Python is the revolver you can try. Of course, it's not going to give you the same result as a rifle because of its shorter barrel length and the limitations of the .357 Magnum. But it's safe to say that it'll give you an accuracy fair enough for long-range shooting. This revolver's elegant design, exceptional craftsmanship, and smooth trigger make it widely regarded as one of the finest revolvers ever made. Available in various barrel lengths ranging from 2.5 inches to 8 inches, the Python can accommodate a variety of shooting applications. However, it's not specifically designed for long-range shooting. It can serve fairly well because of its versatile barrel. The Colt Python is sold at around $1,500. Many would argue that the SIG P365 XMacro comp isn't long-range material because of its size, seeing that it's a micro-compact pistol. While they're not totally wrong about that, I see this one standing out with better long-range accuracy among micro-compact pistols. Remember, we're not comparing pistols to rifles or revolvers, so I don't see why it won't work out if you love using micro-compact pistols. In fact, if you're an expert, one would think you're shooting a rifle from long range. Although it's more suited for concealed carry and self-defense, I see it as a challenge to master your long-range shot placement. The Macro Compact Grip module features a standard 1913 rail and two 17-round steel magazines come included with the pistol. You'll also enjoy the reliability and accuracy that have made the P365 series one of the most popular handguns in America. The pistol is currently priced around $900. Fun fact, Did you know that the longest confirmed sniper kill in history was made at a distance of 3,540 meters, or about 2.2 miles, by a Canadian sniper using a Macmillan TAC-50 rifle? Talk about an impressive long-range shot. The Tikka T3x Tac A1 is another true game-changer in the world of long-range rifles. This innovative and well-designed tactical rifle is built to handle harsh environmental conditions, ensuring incredible accuracy even under challenging circumstances. Featuring military-grade specifications, an enlarged ejection port, and a double-stage adjustable trigger, the T3x Tac A1 offers a combination of precision and ruggedness that's hard to beat. The Picatinny rail, vertical grip, and wide forend provide stability and versatility, making it a great choice for both competitive shooters and tactical operators. The Tikka T3x Tac A1 has been praised by experts and enthusiasts, with many hailing it as the top pick in the production long-range rifle demographic. But of course, as with every incredible rifle, the Tikka T3x Tac A1 doesn't come cheap. It'll cost you $2,300, but it's one of the best long-range rifles you can find on the market. Next is the mighty and incredibly accurate Ruger GP100. While the Ruger GP100 is a reliable and rugged double-action revolver with a strong reputation for durability and performance, its suitability as a long-range gun might be a little limited. Typically, long-range guns are characterized for their accuracy, stability, and range, which isn't the primary focus of a revolver like the GP100. That being said, the GP100's design does offer some features that contribute to good accuracy, such as its triple locking cylinder and adjustable rear sight. However, it's essential to note that revolvers aren't typically considered ideal for long-range shooting due to their short side radius and less stable platform compared to rifles or long-range pistols. So don't go about comparing the Ruger GP100 with the rifles on this list. But in its category, this revolver is one of the best in terms of long-range accuracy. So if you love revolvers and like to shoot long-range, give this revolver a shot. Experts and shooters say it's a good fit. This revolver costs somewhere around $750 to $1,200. For the first pistol on this list, the Glock 34 Gen 5 MOS is a formidable contender in the world of long-range pistols. Designed with a competitive shooter in mind, this 9mm striker-fired handgun is equipped with a modular optic system which allows you to seamlessly integrate dot sight to enhance accuracy and speed. This handgun is a testament that a pistol can be a great option for long-range shooting, packing exceptional long-range accuracy. While some might argue that the accuracy could be slightly improved given its long slide and sight radius, the Glock 34 Gen 5 MOS still delivers sub-2-inch groups with a variety of ammunition, which only means that it's a reliable and accurate choice for those seeking a high-performance long-range pistol. The Glock 34 Gen 5 MOS is priced at $700 for a brand new model and around $500 for a used model, but whichever you choose to get, you can be sure that this is an exceptional long-range pistol. In a market flooded with too many options, the Bergara B-14 HMR stands out as a top contender for those seeking a reliable and high-performing long-range rifle. It's a masterpiece of long-range precision and craftsmanship. The B-14 HMR's integrated mini chassis provides repeatable bedding and optimal precision, while its free-floating barrel ensures superb accuracy even at long distances. But it's not just about the technical specs. The B-14 HMR's sleek design and ergonomic stock make it a joy to hold and shoot with a comfortable grip and intuitive controls. Its smooth action and crisp trigger will leave you feeling confident and in control, ready to take on any long-range challenge. This rifle has a price range of $800 to $1,000, but it's incredible and worth the money. But don't just take our word for it. The glowing reviews and awards it's received speak for themselves. The Barrett M82A1 is a legendary long-range rifle that has carved out a unique place in the world of firearms. This semi-automatic powerhouse has been turning heads since its introduction in the 1980s, offering impressive accuracy and performance at extreme distances. As for its long-range accuracy, it's all about that potent 50 BMG cartridge and the rifle's robust design. The 29-inch barrel and a large vented brake help tame the recoil, allowing you to maintain control and accuracy even when reaching out to targets over a mile away. Though initially designed as an anti-material rifle, the M82A1 has proven its versatility in various roles, including long-range target shooting and, in some cases, anti-personal applications. Its adjustable bipod and rear monopod provide a stable platform for precision shooting. This incredible rifle is a premium long-range rifle. It costs a whopping $10,000, but if you got the cash, you can be sure it offers quality that's worth the price. There's no better place to start this list than with a truly remarkable and powerful bolt-action rifle like the Daniel Defense Delta 5 Pro. It's designed with precision and performance in mind, which is why it's a great choice for everyone who demands the best from their gun. What makes the Delta 5 Pro such an outstanding long-range gun? Well, it's all about that incredible accuracy. With a guaranteed .5 sub MOA, you can count on pinpoint precision shot after shot. The Delta 5 Pro's adjustable chassis lets you customize the fit to your unique shooting style, ensuring a comfortable and stable platform for those long-range shots. And if you're concerned about recoil, don't be. The Delta 5 Pro's advanced design helps tame that kick, allowing you to stay on target and easily spot your hits. It's no wonder that this rifle is a favorite among competitive shooters and hunters alike. You can expect to pay around $2,800 for this precision bolt-action rifle, which is guaranteed to shoot .5 MOA or even better at 100 yards. Just to give you more options to choose from, we'll be adding another badass long-range gun. And for that, we chose the Smith & Wesson Performance Center M&P 9 2.0. This competition-ready handgun is designed to help shooters stay on target better. With features like a ported barrel, optic-ready slide, and a strategically designed carry comp, this pistol is a solid choice for those who want to excel in action pistol sports. Plus, coming in at $819 with two 17-round magazines, a cleaning kit, and 4 Palmswell grip adapters, it's an affordable option for competitors. The realm of long-range guns offers a fascinating array of precision and power, from the legendary Daniel Defense Delta 5 Pro to the impressive Sig Sauer Cross rifle. Each firearm we've explored brings its unique strengths to the table, providing shooters with the tools they need to excel in various long-range applications. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth analyses on the top-performing firearms that push the boundaries of precision and performance. Stay tuned and shoot for greatness.